morning, respected Principal Madam, teachers, and all my dear friends. We, the students of Standard 2nd C, got this golden opportunity to celebrate Diwali, the festival of lights. I, Ms. Thanish Shabad, along with Dia, South, and Shasham, wishing all of you a very happy and prosperous Diwali. So dear friends, without wasting any time, let's start our today's celebration by lighting the lamp, followed by beautiful deep slokas by Miss Ayashi and Master Shaish. It means I fold my hands before the light that brings prosperity, auspiciousness, good health, abundance of wealth, and destruction of enemies' intellect. Here, darkness symbolizes enemies' intellect, and the arrival of the light, darkness disappears. Thank you and happy Diwali. Which destroy all the pain resulting from any omission and commission. Thank you. Hello everyone, I am Shaksham of Standard 2nd C. Dear friends, as we know, Diwali lights the entire nation in earthen lamps and magnificent fireworks. This Sunday festa is not celebrated Hindus alone, but is well liked people across all religions, making it one of the most popular festivals in India. So let's get some more information about Diwali from our friends Miss Anvesha, Master Arnav, Miss Bhavika and Master Meet.
And Diwali light the entire nation in earth lamp. During this festival, people light up their houses and shops. With diyas and lamps, they decorate them beautifully with flowers and light. You can also see beautiful rangoli pattern in entrance of every house. But dear friend, do we know how to celebrate Diwali? My friend Master Arnav will tell the story behind Diwali celebration. Thank you and happy Diwali.
Thank you, Anvesha. Story behind Diwali. Dear friends, there are different stories behind the celebration of Diwali. Every part of the country has its own story to celebration Diwali. In most of the parts of our country, people celebrate Diwali to enjoy the return of Lord Rama, Mata Sita, Lakshman and Hanuman to Ayodhya after a long exile 14 years. People of Ayodhya lighting and diyas and decorate their homes to welcome Lord Rama. So it is believed that from that day every year we celebrate Diwali by lighting and diyas.
Dear friends, we the youngsters love this festival as it brings lot of happiness and delightful moments for everyone. We get to meet our relatives and friends and share greetings and gifts with our loved ones. We love bursting crackers and fireworks, which give immense feeling of happiness. So let us enjoy this festival of lights.
Thank you, dear friends, for providing this information. Now please welcome Master Aditya Setha, who will present a beautiful rhyme on Diwali celebration.
आई दिवाली रे, दीप जलाओ खुशी मनाओ, आई दिवाली रे। खूब चले फुलझड़ी पटाखे, आई दिवाली रे। सबको बांटो खूब मिठाई, आई दिवाली रे। आई दिवाली रे, दीप जलाओ खुशी मनाओ, आई दिवाली रे। खूब चले फुलझड़ी पटाखे, आई दिवाली रे। सबको बांटो खूब मिठाई, आई दिवाली रे।
Morning everyone, I am Dheeraj. Dear friends, you might have seen lighting lamps, diyas, beautiful hanging torrents and colorful rangoli patterns. Idols of Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesh in all the houses during Diwali. But do you know their importance? Let us know the importance of these rituals by our friend Master Vihan Vishwakarma, Master Atharva Kataria, Miss Anna Kadu, Miss Aisha Sinha.
Diyas symbolize goodness and purity, and lighting them denotes dispelling darkness and going into light. Since Deepavali is celebrated on the new moon day, a time of darkness everywhere, light these lamps are a means to get rid of darkness. Lighting the lamps or diyas also denotes dispelling anger, greed, and other vices. From the compact corners in the house to the wide sky, Diwali dresses everything so aesthetically that it is sure to lift your spirit. Happy Diwali!
Dear friends, Toran is a traditional hanging made up of flower and leaves, basically mango leaves. During festive occasions like Diwali, it fits perfectly into the archways of doors and at the entrance of home. Hanging a Toran at the doors is considered as a promising sign. These decorative Toran are fastened to welcome Goddess Lakshmi to household. Thank you.
Diwali is a festival of lights. However, colors also play an important role in this festival. Rangoli is a traditional art of decorating entrance of the house during festival. Rangoli design is created at the entrance of the house to welcome guests and the goddess Lakshmi. Rangoli patterns are usually made using colorful chalks, rice powder, crushed limestone or flower patterns. Dear friends, I am ready to welcome goddess Lakshmi with the beautiful Rangoli pattern. Thank you.
Ganesh Lakshmi Puja. From the core of this festival, Lakshmi Puja is performed to welcome prosperity in household, and Lord Ganesha is shown with pray to mark an auspicious beginning. A story said that Lakshmi adopted Ganesha from his mother Parvati. Out of her love from Ganesha, Lakshmi declared that all her luxury, prosperity and wealth is Ganesha's. Well, she also said that in all the three worlds, anyone who doesn't worship Ganesha with her will never see prosperity in his life. As we all worship Ganesha, Lakshmi along with Lord Ganesha to get her blessings. Thank you and happy Diwali.
Oh really, it was very informative. Thank you friends. So dear friends, are you ready to witness a beautiful dance performance by Anna, Master Arav, Miss Piyoshi, Miss Advita and Miss Aradhya.
Dipavali,
ये धूप करे दूर अंधेरा, दीप जले ऐसे लगे ऐसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तार की बारातें हो, दूर की रबातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देते संदेशा।
Dear friends, Diwali is a festival of lights and togetherness. It is an exciting time for kids as well as elders. Lights, new clothes, mithai and crackers. All of these make the festival super special. But all this is true only if you stay safe. In the past few years, a lot of people have lost their eyesight and have got serious burns due to carelessness. So dear friends, it is very important to follow safety rules while celebrating Diwali. Now listen to our friends Pravira, Ronak, Atharva, Vihan and Supriya, who will tell you different safety rules we should follow during Diwali.
Thank you, Bolo. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Pravira Gujar. I am Miss Second C. Keep the candle and diya away from the curtains, other inflammable objects. Put the candle and diya on a plain space because they do not fall. Keep plates and babies away from the diyas. Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am. Hello, friends. Today is Diwali celebration. Try to avoid bursting firecrackers if possible, or if possible, do not burst crackers. Crackers save a lot of noise and smoke. Happy Diwali to all my friends and teachers.
Celebrating Diwali, we have to follow safety rules. First, avoid wearing synthetic clothes as they can catch fire easily. Second, wear cotton clothes that are not very loose or flowing. Third, tie your hair to avoid mishaps.
Morning, ma'am. I am Vihan Sharma from class 2C. My roll number is 44. Dear friends, as you know, we are facing a problem of COVID-19 pandemic, so try to avoid purchasing sweets and other food items. You can purchase them from outside. You can purchase them from hygienic stores or shops. You can use homemade sweets. Remember, wash your hands properly, eating before eating anything. Thank you. Happy Diwali.
Good morning, everyone. I am Supriya of Standard 2nd C. As we know, Diwali is festival of togetherness. But current situation, try to avoid wasting crowded places, and if it is important. Maintain a safe distance and wear a mask to keep you and your friends or relatives safe. Thank you. Happy Diwali!
Thank you, dear friends, as it is very important for everyone to follow safe rules to celebrate a safe Diwali. Now I would like to present a formal vote of thanks. First and foremost, on behalf of Standard 2nd C, I would like to express our gratitude to our beloved and respected Principal Madam, who is our inspiration and mentor to do always best. Next, we wouldn't have been able to show our talent without our teachers' guidance. Heartily thanks to you, dear teachers, Lata ma'am and Bhavya ma'am. I also wish to thank my classmates for their wholehearted performance. Finally, we are thankful to our parents who have extended their cooperation to make this a successful event. Thank you so much, dear parents. Thanks once again and wish you all a very happy and safe Diwali.